Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video for you on how to start your very own YouTube channel. I've been getting a lot of questions about this from friends and family. Anytime I post anything on Instagram or Facebook, everyone just seems so interested in starting a YouTube channel recently, so I just thought I would make a quick video on how to kind of get your thoughts going so that you could do a YouTube channel as well. So stick around for the rest of the video and I'll show you how to do that. If you are subscribed to my channel, welcome back, pandas. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you can come with me on the rest of my YouTube journey, as well as seeing more videos like this one. And I also have a self-love series that I'm currently doing, as well as working with Smile Direct Club. So if you're interested in any of that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the post notification bell so you never miss a video. So today I'm going to give you some tips on how to start your own YouTube channel, just kind of like I did. I actually, before I started my YouTube channel, did a lot of research on how to start a YouTube channel, and I wish there were more videos out there in regards to this, because some YouTubers don't really like to share their secrets. Well, I'm not gonna be one of those YouTubers. So if you have any questions on how I edit any of my videos, how I create my thumbnails, how I colorize my banners, how I make my banners, if you have questions on any of this, please leave a comment down below and make sure to like this video so that I know to make more videos like this one. So the first tip I have for you guys is, before even creating your YouTube channel, make sure you have your content planned out. This was one of my biggest things when I first started my YouTube channel, is I had no idea what I wanted my channel to be about. But now that I know what I want my channel to be about, which is self-love, vlogging, lifestyle, travel, I have a niche for my YouTube channel, which is something you want to find. So for example, if you want to do a fitness channel, do everything about fitness or anything in regards to a healthy lifestyle. If you want to do a vlogging channel, do a vlogging channel. If you want to do something in regards to makeup, do makeup tutorial videos and make it some sort of beauty guru channel. There are so many possibilities for YouTube channels nowadays, so just pick one that you're great at and go ahead and start making videos for a YouTube channel. The other tip I have for you guys is to make sure you have equipment. You don't really need expensive equipment to start a YouTube channel. You really only need a laptop or a desktop computer and your phone. You know, I'm actually filming on my Canon SX730HS, which is my vlogging camera, because my DSLR, which is a Rebel T2i, isn't exactly the greatest DSLR camera out on the market right now. I got it a while ago, I think back in 2011, 2012. It'll focus as I move. My DSLR doesn't do that, so I have to use this camera because it just doesn't autofocus. The other tip I have for you guys is to look for inspiration. If you guys have a favorite YouTuber out there, then use them as inspiration for your videos, because obviously you watch them for a reason. And if you watch them for a reason or for a specific hobby that you enjoy doing, then use them for inspiration for your channel. My inspiration for my YouTube channel, because I do a lot more vlogs than I really do sit down type videos, Charles Trippy as a huge inspiration, because I've been watching him since day one of his daily vlogs, and he really inspired me to start my YouTube channel a long time ago, but I just never really had the confidence to do it. That's where I'm at now, and that is why I have started my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so the other tip I have for you is to start with simple editing software. I edit all of my videos on HitFilm Express, which is a free video editing software. You just gotta download it from Google. It is probably a little more complex than most people are used to, just because I have been editing photos and videos for a very, very long time. So that one is actually not a very good beginners, but I mean, if you want to give it a shot, there are so many tutorials on how to use HitFilm Express on YouTube, and in fact I will make a video on how I edit my videos if you guys comment down below that you want me to make that video, so I will do it. The other one that I have for you guys is, if you have a MacBook or an iPhone, you can use iMovie. iMovie isn't as extensive as some video editing softwares, but it will still work starting out. The last and final tip I have for you guys, and this is the one that I think is my most favorite, because I recently started doing this more as I'm starting to get more views and more of a community built for my channel, is really connect with your subscribers and the people that are commenting on your videos. When starting your YouTube channel, you're not gonna get very much recognition at first, which is okay. I started out with 0 subscribers just like everybody does, and I didn't get a single comment on any of my videos except for maybe like friends and family, which shout out to you guys. But when you start interacting with strangers, people that are, you know, have no idea who you are and are putting themselves into your channel and really watching your videos and commenting on them and liking them and showing you support, really give them the time of day because they are there to support you and they want to be there for you. I just want to give a huge shout out to all of my subscribers. As I'm growing, I wanted to give you guys a shout out. Thank you if you've been there since day one. Thank you if you just recently subscribed. Alright guys, so that's all I have for you today. I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys because I actually am gonna have a really long weekend and I probably won't be able to upload for Self-Love Saturday, so I do apologize for that, but I will make up for it. I promise, lovelies, I have not forgotten about your Self-Love Saturday, so I will make a video for you as soon as I can on that. So that is actually concluding the video. I definitely should have done that in the last clip, but you know. We're coming up on Labor Day, so happy Labor Day, everybody, and really enjoy your nice long weekend, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!